Hello, people. After so long, I'm doing a recording. Like, I think it's been, I don't know, 3 weeks. Yeah, almost a month. So, basically, I've just got back from work, but I know I'm looking like I had a bath and I'm like, like applied makeup and all of that. And I think the magic behind me feeling suddenly so energetic is no, trust me, this is not like it's not like I've been paid to do this, but seriously, people, muesli, fruit magic, which is this muesli. They say Karina Kapoor also has muesli for breakfast. I mean, I remember reading this in yeah, literally like Rujuta Divekar's book. That I mean, Rujuta Divekar is mostly about natural food, so muesli is like the natural food of, at least, like, yeah, it was invented in Switzerland, right? So anyway, Kellogg's muesli fruit magic is something that everybody should have if you like this quick and tasty breakfast. And I have it with Ensure, which is a nutritional supplement, because I don't like to have milk as such. So this nutritional supplement is, yeah. So, and I did a whole Google search to find out whether it's good, and apparently it is. So anyway, people, so if you want that sudden boost of energy, muesli fruit magic, which has 4 nutritious grains and 4 delicious inclusions, is something that all of us should have. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.